To start using MapHub, you'll go to maphub.net. This is the page that comes up. You'll have to sign up for a subscription. You'll do that here. You can see I've already signed up. My information is populated. Once you sign up for a subscription, you'll get an email and we'll have to verify your email. After that, you can log in by clicking login, and you'll end up back at the home menu. Then you'll click on New Map to create a map for this assignment. Here you'll find 3 tabs. This first tab is where you'll enter the title of your map. So for instance, maybe we'll entitle it Motherlode. A description, a map of the Mariposa County area. Here you can select whether you want the map to be private or public. You'll need to click public for us to all view the map. Here you'll need to shorten the URL name. If your name is long, I think I'll just leave mine Motherlode and it will automatically populate that. Item, once you have items on here, this is where they'll show up. And then the base map, you can choose different types of maps. For instance, landscape will show you this kind of map. I like the satellite map with labels, and you can see then the landscape. So the first thing you'll do to put a point on your map is to go to the search box here, and I'm going to search the Mariposa County Courthouse. You'll type in that description and hit enter, and it will bring up that address. You'll click that address. Here you'll add that, and this is where it puts this information into the tab of item. It gives a description of the place and the address. In the description area, you'll use this for your 25-word or more description of the area. I'm going to paste some information there just as an example. You can see that that information shows up here. You can also add a link. So I looked up Mariposa County Courthouse history and came up with this site. It's just a concise little site about the history. I'm going to copy that URL and post it in the URL link area. This then becomes a link. You'll also need to add an image for each of your sites. So add image. I'm going to choose an image off of my desktop. You'll close it and it will add the image. At this point, I would save my information by clicking save right here. And then you can see your map. If you go back to that pin and click on it, it will show all the information. Or you can go here on the right hand side and click and it will show the information. You can zoom in and out of your map by clicking the plus and minus buttons here. For the next sites you will map, you're going to follow those same steps. So I'm going to search the St. Joseph's Catholic Church in Mariposa. I had to look up the exact address because it wasn't coming up in the search box. So I found the exact address. I'll click it here. I'll add it. In the description, I will add St. Joseph's Church, and you'll add more information about the spot you choose, 25 words or more. You can add a link again, I found this website that I'll link to, and then you can add an image by clicking Add Image. You'll find the image on whatever drive you have it. And you see it inputs it there. Again, after each map pin, I would save your work. This is the cool thing about this map application. Now you have 2 and you'll have 10 here, but you can click here and it will take you to your first site. Click your next site and it will take you there. If you're working on your map and you don't have time to finish in one sitting and you go outside of the site, you'll come back, log in, and then click on My Maps, and this is where all of your maps will show up. You'll just click the map and you can continue working. When you finish your map and you're ready to add it to your blog, you're going to click Share, and then you will click Embed on Website. From this area, you will copy this embed code. This code is what will go on to your blog. Once it's on your blog, it will look like this and will act like this. So it's the same actions where you push the area that you want to go to and it comes up on your map.